How to get ChatGPT API key for free. Want to try ChatGPT's API without paying upfront? Here's how to get your free API key. Go to platform.openai.com and create an account. Once you're logged in, head to your profile settings and then under API keys, click create a new secret key. Copy and store it securely, and this is your access token. New accounts often get free trial credits, usually around $5. Use these credits to test API without charges. You can also access GPT models through Microsoft's Azure OpenAI service. Azure sometimes offers free credits for new users. Keep your API key private, sharing it can lead to misuse and unexpected charges. You can get a ChatGPT API key for free through OpenAI's trial credits or Azure's free tier. Beyond that, it's pay as you go.